8205 Renfrew. So the driveway is short, which is why I'm parked crooked, and there's lots of stains on the driveway. I didn't even know this community was here, but it's gated. Looks like the front door is pretty fine. We have this, I'm not sure what's going on there. I think it was taped on. Yeah, you can see the seams. We're going to replace that light bulb with a normal one. I counted 5 windows downstairs, but I don't know about this guy because that's half an arch. So we'll see what Jenny thinks of that. Definitely 100% repaint. So the cabinets were stained. Beautiful sink with a gooseneck faucet, but I'm not sure if we can keep it if we change out the counters. The fridge looks pretty old, and the stove looks a little rough. So I'll go ahead and put stove down. We have a pergola here, which is cute. This side that I'm currently on gets the morning sun, a little bit of it the afternoon. I think we should junk some items. Adjust these rollers so it's easy to operate. So we have vinyl in the wet areas throughout this house. It's nice to have this laundry room off to the side, even if it's not technically its own room, you don't have to walk through. This is a closet that's shared on the other side as well. That should probably be removed. That's a pretty dated light fixture. And probably this too. The carpet actually looks good. I counted the downstairs windows at 5. So we have a closet rod. We don't need closet door guides. We don't have a light kit, but we do have a fan. Vinyl up here. Replace those light bulbs. We need a shower rod, probably caulking. That's an interesting water line. So we have a fan, no light kit. We're definitely replacing the doors to non-locking door handles. So that's 3, 1 on each bedroom. We do have a light kit in here. Another blind, more vinyl, but we do have an undermount sink with beautiful stone counters. I'd say repaint these cabinets. They do look rough. Caulking and a shower rod in here as well. Okay. And maybe remove that shelf as well.